Hello everyone, welcome back to TechWire Rock Academy. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of withdrawing USDT from the Binance application directly to our bank account. So let's get started. First, open the Binance app. If your screen doesn't look similar to the one in the video, don't worry. Follow the instructions by watching the video via the link in the description and refer to it for additional guidance. So once the app is open, go to your wallet and check the USDT balance available in your account. Now, to withdraw USDT to your bank account, you will need to transfer funds from spot wallet to funding wallet. To do so, click on transfer. I'm just clicking on this max button, then confirm transfer, and here is success screen. Click on OK. And here in funding, you can see updated USDT balance. Now our USDT is moved to the funding wallet and ready for withdrawal. So next go to withdrawal. Here you can see three options for withdrawal. Let's see which one is best for us. Here P2P trading means peer-to-peer marketplace where we can buy or sell cryptocurrency directly with other users. Sell in INR allow us to sell our cryptocurrency and receive payment in Indian rupees. In withdraw option, it let us transfer cryptocurrency to other wallets like SafePal, Trust Wallet, or any other Binance account. So let's see which one is offering us best deal for our USDT. Just click on this P2P trading. Here you can see the list of buyers available. Here one buyer is offering 88.54 INR per USDT but requires a minimum transaction of 1 lakh rupees. So let me quickly filter out with 2K and see the best deal. Here you can see this buyer is offering us 87 rupees per USDT. Let's see, for 24 USDT this buyer is offering us 2083 rupees. And let me quickly compare it with sell in INR method, where you can see 24 USDT. Let me check with this option, bank transfer, preview order, and here you can see the receiving amount will be 2121. So that seems pretty good for me. So I'm going with this deal. Just click on this place order and then click on this chat button. So the buyer is asking us to share the QR for payment. Let's see what he says. He will take just 2 minutes. So let's wait for the confirmation message or notification that we will receive from our bank account or from Binance itself. So here you can see the bank alert and from the Binance itself. So let's click on this payment received button and confirm from here as well. I have verified that the amount of has been received from this, and then click on this confirm release. So that's it folks, I have successfully withdrawn USDT from Binance to my bank account. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to TechWire Rock Academy and stay tuned for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.